So as you can see, the brick is saturated on the right hand side of the house. There's the house there, and you can see how dry it is in the other areas. Now, this being the gutter, it's obviously coming from the roof in some way, shape, or form. When it rains, I see it drip down this side here, and this little piece that juts out of the house, it's this little 1.5 or 2 feet, is where it starts to cascade. You can kind of see it, a little bit of dark color in the corner there. It kind of cascades through the brick and through the concrete areas within the brick. When I first contacted you guys, I told you that this whole siding here, between the aluminum siding to the right and the brick to the left, and in between where the silicone or concrete is, that whole thing deteriorated to almost nothing. And because so, I believe that stuff started to get into the house. Now it's also starting to deteriorate again, as you can kind of see. Again, you can see how badly the brick is starting to break apart. So now, as I go into the house, you'll see exactly where this is starting to surface. It's starting to surface right here in this corner. And because so, the wood, the 2x4s, are actually starting to corrode, where you could break not just the sheetrock. The sheetrock, I think, was moisture, but you could actually break the wood from the 2x4s. Now, also, I doubt you could get a good look at it, but this here is plywood. In this area here, all this fiberglass is, insulation is also corroded, but you could actually put your hand through, not to outside, but to touch the brick on the outside, because the water has caused the plywood to break and to deteriorate.